Today, I'm going to introduce you to WebAccess DMP, the management platform for Advantech's ICR routers. My name is Michelle Holdeman, and I am an application engineer here at Advantech. Let's get started. The WebAccess DMP platform can be found at wadmp3.com. After logging into the platform, you will see the dashboard. The dashboard is divided into two sections. The first section is dedicated for the widgets, and the second section is dedicated for the table. The table contains a list of devices and information regarding those devices. You can use the action buttons as shown over here to the right, which will allow you to create a configuration profile, reboot, edit, or delete a device. You can also change the order of the columns by dragging and dropping them. The widgets above the table represent different values. Right now, we have the dashboard showing us how many devices or routers I have on the platform, how many are online or offline, how many are synced, and the amount of data being used. The pie charts just below represent how many routers are using the first or second SIM slot in the router, the type of device being used, how many devices are online or offline, the mobile operator being used, the type of technology such as LTE or 5G. Additionally, if you can see the table icon on the widget, it represents data that is currently being shown in the table. For example, if I only want to see information on my ICR routers, I can just enter ICR there, and you will just be able to see information pertaining to the ICR routers. You can also cancel the filter by clicking on either the filter icon here or here just above the table, and the devices will show again. I hope you have found this video informative. If so, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel to see upcoming videos, such as a more in-depth overview of the table and how to manage your routers using the platform.